Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella here. In today's video, I'm going to put you through the step-by-step process on how to change your Facebook password. Okay, this is a very simple thing to do. Just stick around till the end of this video to learn how to do this. Okay, so once you open your Facebook app like this, you click at the three lines by the top right corner, and then you scroll up and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're in these features, click on settings. Okay, under accounts, click on password and security. Then you scroll up, you can see login, tap on change password. So right here, you're going to put in your current password. Okay, once you put in your current password, then you can choose a new password. Okay, so I'm putting in a new password right now. So to make a good password, you have to use a combination of characters, numbers, and special characters, okay, to make your password strong, okay? So after that, you click on update password. Okay, your password have been changed. If you think someone else may have known your old password, it's a good idea to log out of any other phone and computer and check for recent changes to your account. Okay, so it's very good idea to change your password from time to time. Okay, you never know if someone knows your password or have gone through your phone and find your password. There is a way to save password in the phone, so you can change your password from time to time. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my video. Okay, so after changing your password, you can just click on stay logged in and then go back, and that is it. You can